program was new to me. I had, although I've been in, I was a product of the Chicago public school system. I had, and my daughter also, but I did not know that that program existed. And to hear about such a program, and I did a little research to see any kind of, what were their background, what were their successes in life. And I found that this program absolutely made an impact on young people's lives to help them move further in their careers and obtain their goals. Awesome program. I just thought it was awesome, and just really glad that it was around for these young people.